Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. In this session, we are going to learn the number one state which is contributing to the total wind energy installed capacity in India. You can keep guessing what is that state. Also, we are going to learn what is the historical data, 25 plus years of data we are going to see. This will help you a lot in your career. Let us start. Keep guessing what is that state. Hi, welcome back to Wind Energy Career Gags. I'm Mahendran. I hope now you got which state is that. Yes, we are going to learn more about what is the total installed capacity in Gujarat, also how it is contributing to the wind energy sector in India, especially by installation capacity year on year. Almost we are going to see 25 plus years of data. Let us start without waiting for that. Yes, here it is. You can see like so till 2002, it is a consolidated data. Initially, they are started with almost 200 megawatt of installation capacity. Then 2002 to 3, like I will say only 1 year. Otherwise, it will like you can consider as a financial years, every financial year. 2002 financial year 2002, like we have very minimum installation. 2003 4 also same thing. Trend is continuing like this, but 2007 8 you can see like we are achieved like almost 600 megawatt of installation. This is one important input. Like from there afterwards, you can see the it's almost 300 megawatt, 300 around 300 megawatt they were installing, adding to the total installation capacity every year. Okay, that is like a 300, 312 something like that, right? 2011 and 12 they installed 789. It's a huge number, right? Do you remember which year we achieved 1 gigawatt in a year? If not, please check my previous video. We have total installation capacity and how it is year on year growth, everything we said. Please check it out. This is like a little bit of detail analysis sharing about each state wise. So first we are starting with the number one state. So means number one total installed capacity in terms of wind. Okay, so 2012 and we are installed almost 208 megawatt. Then again back to 279 megawatt, and 2014 it's 190 megawatt, and then 2015 they reached 385 megawatt. The biggest are like 2016 17 we achieved 1392 megawatt in a year, single year, 1 gigawatt in a year, more than 1 gigawatt, 1.3 1.4 gigawatt almost. So 2017 18 again 272 megawatt, and 2018 it is like 459.7 megawatt. 2019-20 again they like broke their record by installing almost 1.47 gigawatt in a year, in a single year. That's a very huge number, right? Then again now we are saying downwards trend, like 1 gigawatt installed in 2020-21, and 21-22 they installed 647 gigawatt as of now. Like previous, like till May data, we have total installed capacity 10.4 gigawatt from sorry, like it is like 10,415.82 megawatt. This is the total installed capacity. Second place we have in Tamil Nadu, which we will see in the next video. This is like we have a one plan to share micro learning, which is I already launched. Already I said in the previous videos also. You might know already. So that also we are continuously sharing different questions for the micro learning in our LinkedIn profile also. You can check it out. So one more important information, like one small gift from us to continuously helping you to learn. So you can visit our site sustainablelifestylehub.com, where you can find the possibility of accessing to the quiz programs, which will be very much helpful. Let me share with you. Like we are continuously like to share what are the possible way share the knowledge to people. The reason is knowledge is the only asset we can share with the next generation, which will be very much helpful for continuously taking it forward. So that's the main reason we want to share all the knowledge continuously to the people. That will help the people. Okay, now if you visit our website, one second, I will share the website page. that will be helpful for you. Okay, so here it is. If you visit our page sustainablelifestylehub.com, so here it is the link also available. You can also find the, like, Google it and you can find it. So once you reach, ultimately you will get the RE quiz. Here if you go, two way you can learn. One is like you can participate in the quiz listed here. Also you can ask your priority questions using the priority question form, where you can fill it out all your priority question that will be shared to me. From there, like any of these topics you can share. If more than that you want to share, like you can share it, no restriction. Those questions will be discussed with, means if I am not expert in that particular field, I will discuss with the concerned people and share with you your answer in the form of videos, or maybe in whatever the document format, anything we can share, but mostly it will reach you in the video format. I hope this quick and short learning is really helpful to you. Hope you understand what is the contribution from Gujarat, total installed capacity, and year on year their growth, like we seen from before the 2002 itself. Okay, so trend is available. You can watch it again. You can keep that in your memory. Whenever you need, you can use it. As of now, number one state in the total installed capacity is Gujarat. Second, Tamil Nadu is there. Next video, we will see how the trend is contributed by, like installed capacity in year on year from Tamil Nadu. So I will see you in the next video with more information. Meantime, I have one question to all of you, like which I asked in the micro learning. So the question is very simple. What is the influence? Okay, what is the effect of TI, means turbulence intensity, in any wind turbine power curve in various section of the power curve? This is the question asked to all the people in LinkedIn for micro learning. You can also try to answer in the comment, which will be very much helpful for you to revise your understanding about the effect of TI in power curve, wind turbine power curve. People not in this field, don't worry about it. It is especially for wind energy professionals, so they can take it forward. Okay, see you in the next video. Like meantime, you can also connect with us in various resources. It's available. Thank you very much. See you with a lot of information. Thank you once again.